Hey, to connect CMF Buds Pro 2 with two devices at the same time, first of all, you will have to connect them with your first device and the Nothing X application. You will have to open the settings and open dual connection. When you do this, you will have to tap on this switcher to activate dual connection and select reboot. Right now, your earbuds will turns off and then turns on and allows you to actually enter for this dual connection mode. So just be patient and wait for it, and I'm going to show you step by step. There we go. Now we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case and click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. There we go. Now we can release. Remember to keep that case open. Now on your second device, you will have to just go into the settings, go into the connected devices, open Bluetooth, and from available devices list, you will have to select your CMF Buds Pro 2. If it doesn't work, like in my case, as you can see, for some reason my phone tried to connect to other pair of the earbuds, but now if I open the Bluetooth settings one more time, I can actually find them, accept the pairing, and take a look. Right now I'm connected with the two devices at the same time, and now if I want to disconnect from any device, I can just click right here. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.